Okay, we're going to look at the page we were doing from yesterday. This is the book with the animals on it, and we're still on lesson 27. This is our last lesson, lesson 27. So yesterday we were talking about color to show how to make this hexagon. We used 2 shapes here. Now we're going to make 3 shapes. And I said, let's keep one shape the same as the one we already had. So we use the trapezoid like we did yesterday. Then we're going to divide this into 2 shapes. So what 2 shapes? Now this has it divided into triangles, but we're not going to use triangles because that would give us 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's a shape a little bit bigger than a triangle that would fit there? Well, that would be a rhombus and a triangle. So if we colored in our rhombus, let me get blue so that it will show up better. I can get my blue out. Okay, so a rhombus, and then our triangle. So that gives us 1, 2, 3 shapes. Then 4 shapes. Okay, so if we keep again our trapezoid, and we're not going to be able to use our rhombus because then that would only leave us one more shape, or only leave us one more shape, and we need 4 shapes. So what if we used our triangles? So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to make those all triangles. So 1, 2, 3. So 1. Where'd my pencil go? There it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then here, use 6 shapes. So if we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's already divided into 6 shapes. So these were our triangles. And we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Okay, Boom says he used 4 shapes to make a circle. Buzz says the shape is not a circle. Who's right? Well, this can't be a circle because circles have a curved edge. These have straight edges. So Buzz is right. And how do you know? There are only straight lines. A circle is made of curves. Okay, and that is our homework. Did you have fun with that? Was it hard? I hope not. I hope you enjoyed it. Shapes are fun. I just wish you had the shapes there to play with a little bit more. Okay, and we're going to look at the last page of this lesson. This is back into our book with the numbers on it, and it is on page 183. Okay, this one is just a fun page that you can play around with a little bit. It says use 4 more shapes to make 2 new shapes. Draw them. And here you could just draw anything that you want. You could put together a hexagon. Wait a minute. You can add a triangle on top, and you can give a trapezoid color, and then you could put another hexagon. Then you could put 2 triangles, and here 2 triangles. Okay, that's mine. You can do whatever you want. But then down here it says circle one shape above. So I'm going to do this one because this is the only one I'm going to do. And write how many of each shape you used. So how many triangles did I use up here? Well, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. How many squares? Well, I didn't use any squares, so 0. How many trapezoids? Well, right there, 1. How many rhombuses? I didn't use any rhombuses. And how many hexagons? I used 1, 2. So 2 hexagons. How many pieces did I use altogether? 5, 6, 7, 8. I used 8 pieces altogether. Okay, so you can just have fun with this page and draw whatever you want. Okay, some questions real quick. Review questions for you. How many triangles does it take to make a trapezoid? Do you know? It takes 3. How many trapezoids to make a hexagon? It takes how many? 1, 2. How many rhombuses does it take to make a hexagon? Well, it takes 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many triangles does it take to make a hexagon? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You can play around with those. Ask your mom or your dad questions. See if they know how many it takes to make something, and play around with that a little bit. Okay, that finishes lesson 27, and the next lesson we'll go to is lesson 28. Have a good evening. Bye.